outside. Not when it's not outside you are holding evidence. Where are you coming from with that evidence? Somebody that is in our custody. We are monitoring him. We are watching him. How come are you coming with this? When did this happen? Then we question. Do you think that those people are fools? Do you think that they are the people that you can just threaten in, or some people you can just give that money to and they will just start misbehaving? No. Okay, listen to me. They say ICC. Oh, you let Nigeria go to ICC now and present it. Since they have a concrete and they are sure for, and the military is telling you they are this, that you are this and you are that, and you are scared. Your country is scared to go and answer ICC. If truly what you are presenting, what you have as your evidence is conk enough, go and defend it. I don't know if you're getting. Go and do what? Go and defend it now. It is your right. You go and defend it. But whereby you cannot defend it, it's a mere allegation that can turn against you. Not be person wake up police, they win election.
Do you think that this is true? What can you say, guys?
Yes. I remember humble self, biafran evangelist. Yes. Regards to what is on the ground, the Finland has sued Nigeria based on the allegation leveled against their citizens. Their beloved and betrothed citizen called Simon Ekpa. Now they have charged Nigeria to ICC, International Criminal Court. And they should come and defend that allegation that they allegedly charged against Simon Ekpa, and which is very, very good, and it's a good omen. And which, on the other hand, is an opportunity for Nigeria to finally nail Simon Ekpa on the cross. With their evidence that they claim.
They don't know how to say claim. They have.
They claim. Okay, you say they have evidence. Okay, with the evidence that they claim to have with them, and I believe such evidence could be the one that is come from Mba. Yes, I'm not surprised. Yes, no problem. But I will be happy and I will be glad if Nigeria will take that kind of a bold step. If they can be bold to appear in the ICC, I love Nigeria. You know, the case now is like the case of when you want to catch a monkey or you want to catch a fowl. You throw a corn, the fowl will come close and pick. You throw another one, he come and pick it up. Until he enters, the fowl enters into the dungeon. Are you getting it? Until he enters into that dungeon, whereby you prepare for it. Then you take the advantage and you grab it. I believe that this is the system that Simon Ekpa have been looking for. I believe this is the system that somebody like nnamdikanu, because he himself, before he was kidnapped, he have already asked Nigeria, he sued Nigeria to ICC, asked Nigeria to come and meet him there, which Nigeria ran away. They denied, they refused. I believe this is the prime time and the best time for Nigeria to go actually defend what they have upstairs. And I now know that Simon Ekpa is throwing down corn, and probably Nigeria is coming to eat it, to pick it. Let them come with their evidence to finally nail Simon Ekpa. Then now I will see and know how Nigeria will nail him. I'm waiting, and I am looking to see forward the boldness and the confidence Nigerian government have over their evidence against Simon Ekpa in International Court of Law. Are you getting it? So now I want to see all those things, the ability of Nigeria. And to the glory of God, I believe that this time around is the time whereby the whole entire world will finally finish Nigeria, because they are dealing with the Finnish government. Those ones know how to, do you know the meaning of Finnish government? They know how to finish people's government, especially the government that don't know the law, the government that go against the law, the government that don't have constitution, the government that go against the constitution.
Have you ever seen any government that the Finnish government
they can even use Nigeria as a start. Yes.
But you first said that
Are you getting?
they've been
How did
finishing
they
people
defeat
government.
Russia? How did they conquer to come out of Russia? It's a strategy. That's why they are called finished governments.
So you believe that
They are finished.
with over 5 million, with only 5 million citizens can defeat Nigeria with over 200 million intelligent citizens?
What? Which intelligent? Minus Igbo, they are not up to that. Minus Biafra, how many are they? And inside, yes,
And we still have 120
inside,
million.
excuse me,
We still have 120 million.
you have, okay, let's say 8, you have, they have them own 120 million. Then inside the 120 million, only one single Igbo man that defeated the whole 120 million on the 24th of September 2024 in Nigerian court of law. To the point that even the lawyers, the judge submit, surrender. Have you ever seen that happen? Only one person from the Biafra, nnamdikanu, defeated 120 million Nigerians in the in Nigerian court of law. And as I'm talking to you, many judges today are running away from it. They are running away to handle that man's case, to handle the matter. Are you hearing me? They are running away. If actually they're there, they have millions of population, they have something else there. I don't believe that one person from the minority can defeat them that are in the majority. That is to tell you that they don't have anything. See, this is Nigeria. I'm not even talking about international standard. That means if such a one can defeat them in their own country, that means Nigeria doesn't have any judge or any lawyer that can represent them well internationally. That is what it means. That's just it. Nigeria doesn't have anybody to represent them well. There are some questions that is waiting for them. Let them go now. Let them go. There are some questions that we ask them. Even there are some questions with evidence. And I know there are some questions they asked Buhari during Buhari tenure, the time of nnamdikanu. And they asked him in a conference, in a meeting that he traveled. He was chewing mouth. They asked him question. He was talking another thing. Off key. Loss of memory. He lost his memory. You know, there are some questions that will give you through, just like what is happening in a day today. Look, see the kind of person they have as a governor. Is that the kind of people you want to go and meet? ICC international body. See, somebody that cannot knows what is holding, like he cannot read it out.
This we are talking about a certified lawyer.
Excuse
me. That will defend Nigeria,
excuse me, Ekpa or whatsoever his name. In a standard, go to the international communities, go to the Western world. You don't have such people as governors. Yes, you can't have such person as a governor. Yes, in international places or in the Western world, you can't have such person as a governor, because with what is you are seeing now shows that it's not capable. It doesn't know what it's nothing. That is to tell you the caliber of people and the caliber of people in power in Nigeria and the caliber of men Nigeria are celebrating. So we don't have anybody. Nigeria doesn't have anybody to represent Nigeria on the internet except those, if that international bodies are the people that love criminalism. Maybe they are following the step of the British that like wayo. These are the people that will tell you that Nigeria can go there and stand firm, because there will not be money bring it. Let us keep to settle Peter. That kind of people. But this one, Nigeria doesn't have anybody to represent them. Because is it is that what you go there and be doing? No, you are going to meet people who know the law, who write the laws, who can interpret the law, who know the meaning and know the value of what law is all about, who have ruled nations and rule it well and bring out something positive and imparted positivity in the life of their citizens, even the commoner in the streets. You understand? These are the people they are going to meet, not the ones all this one. Emiloko, you come here, Emiloko. Emiloko, is it English? Is that what you are going to tell international body, the Western world? Emiloko. What is the meaning of Emiloko? Is it a name? Tell him to speak good English. He cannot flow. President that they sent to UN. And after representing Nigeria in the UN and they come back, Nigeria start to blame him. What you went there to say is not what we ask you, not what we send you. Who sent you this one? You see confusion. That is to tell you they don't have anybody to represent internationally. Anything that is apart from money, Nigeria is not good at it. Apart from, buying corruption, buying like corruption continued. Nigeria cannot do good. Only that area is where they are good at. And that is what they are playing. Thank God this one is not in Africa. ICC is not in Africa. It's in the other side, overseas. Let them go there and face it. I will be gladly watching it and seeing Nigeria. And I see somebody like Simon Ekpa and others saying talk to Nigeria.
But we've heard a lot of persons come and say that they don't think Nigeria will be willing to take up the challenge of going to ICC.
They will not like to take it up based on what I have said.
But do you not think, see, for the Finnish government to even arrest Ekpa on its own, we've heard Musa come out and said that it was the one that, the military were the one that showed proof to the government of Finland, and that as regards what Ekpa was doing, that's why they gave them substantial proof as regards what Ekpa was doing. That was why they arrested him. So do you not think they won't have more time to even have more evidence against him?
Excuse me. Do you know that Simon Ekpa, you are having more evidence against somebody that is already in their custody? No. The evidence, if at all you are having evidence of somebody, you have evidence of what he do when he's outside. Not when he's not outside, you are holding evidence. Where are you coming from with that evidence? Somebody that is in our custody. We are monitoring him. We are watching him. How come are you coming with this? When did this happen? Then we question. Do you think that those people are fools? Do you think that they are the people that you can just threaten in, or some people you can just give that money to and they will just start misbehaving? No. Okay, listen to me. They say ICC. Oh, you let Nigeria go to ICC now and present it. Since they have a concrete and they are sure for, and the military is telling you they are this, that you are this and you are that, and you are scared. Your country is scared to go and answer ICC. If truly what you are presenting, what you have as your evidence is conk enough, go and defend it. I don't know if you're getting. Go and do what? Go and defend it now. It is your right. You go and defend it. But whereby you cannot defend it, it's a mere allegation that can turn against you. Don't be person where call police, they win election. They win case. So you don't understand? You can carry this matter to you if you say everybody as game user, you play with Kenya to kidnap nnamdikanu, and all this while you have been playing hanky-panky in that case. This time around, there are so many issues waiting for Nigeria over there. Cases to answer. It is say then no. Then no, that is why they are running away. They are avoiding it. And let me tell you this. The more they avoid this, the more Biafra gain upper hand. The more Simon Ekpa stand ahead of Nigeria. And the more they run away, the more they are being guilty of whatsoever nnamdikanu or Simon Ekpa place against Nigeria. You get it? So let them, if they really want to, let them go there.
To be so. As you say it, I do not say you should carry gun. I do not say you should come with a fighter jet or anything. But that very day reach, if they don't do it, you have another means of taking action. You can sue Nigerian government to court. You can protest wherever you are. You can inform the government of wherever you are. Not only Igbo veterans in America, let the whole Igbos all over the world. Because if you come to the World Army, at least in each country, you go see 2 or 3 Igbos in their army. Even in Russia, We have Igbos fighting in the Russia. Even though in this Russia-Ukraine war, they are fighting there. Let all of them come together under one umbrella and say no to see whether this Iberianism leaders from Igbo, whether they can be able to repent. Is it not Ohanes and Igbo place $100,000 bonds on the head of Simon Ekpa? Is it not Peter Mbang sending petitions, forging petitions, live petitions against Simon Ekpa? Is it not who's a good man? Pop a bubago, call Fulani in, give them the uniform in the name of a bubago, and to choose some afraid Igbo people to believe in them, to show them the way. You see one thing, the veterans, whether Igbo veterans, whether Biafra veterans, whether Nigerian veterans in American army, the veterans are maybe ex-servicemen, should not blame government of Nigeria so much, should not blame Yorubas so much, should not blame Hausa Fulani so much, or Arewa, whatever they call themselves.
What are they not to be blamed?
They have to blame Igbo leaders in home. Igbo leaders at home. Like Willie Obialo, now in America. If they have dragged Willie Obialo to court in America, sue him to court in America, to come and explain how he managed the killings in Anambra under his watch, they will take him to show Igbo leaders example. Now Igbo leaders will sit on. Now how can you come and fighting the people whom your own people support? Understand what I'm saying? Igbo leaders, Igbo politicians, Ohanes and Igbo traditional rulers are the first people, the veterans in American army, supposed to give warning first. Because it is the rat inside the house came and told the rat outside that there's a fish inside the house. Come, go and eat that fish inside the house. The north or west, Fulani, Hausa or Yoruba, Nupe or Gwari, TV or Jakon, Lantan or Nupe, Ariwa or Kanuri cannot do Igbo anything, cannot do Biafrans anything without the support of a few Biafrans, betrayal Biafrans, betrayal South to East. If not them, these people cannot do anything. These people are walking on the red carpet that the politicians from Igbo land, from Igbo South to East, South, roll on them to kill their own people. Which Nanti Allah will not try to do it against his own people. But Ohanes and is doing against his own people. Which Hausa Fulani will never try to say, come and kill any of their people. They will never try it. But Ohanes and Igbo are doing it. Is it not Ohanes and Igbo place $100,000 bonds on the head of Simon Ekpa? Is it not Peter Mbang sending petitions, forging petitions, live petitions against Simon Ekpa? Is it not who's a good man? Pop a bubago, call Fulani in, give them the uniform in the name of a bubago, and to choose some afraid Igbo people to believe in them, to show them the way? Is it Fulani just jump in doing it? The problem of Biafran agitators, Igbo agitators, are from Igbos themselves. You see where I'm going? If the late Iwanyam and all of them, the late Okwadike, or what, I have forgot his real name. If all of them, when they were alive, stand in one voice, one accord, to say no, he could not have reached this place. Abaribe, what their name? Rogers Okorocha, Victor Ume, what mention them in the Senate, in the Rep. If all of them stand on their feet and say no, leave my people, leave our children, leave our men, don't kill them. Go as your people, we don't support to kill them. You will not, it will not happen. It was Igbo's agitator, the late Ufan Yuba, all of them masterminded the kidnapping of nnamdikanu. All of them masterminded the what is happening to Simon Ekpa now. Okay, look at it. There was a time, I think in Buhari regime, when these prominent people in Igbo land chartered the people to go to Finland to go and demonstrate against Simon Ekpa. To go and protest against Simon Ekpa. You never see a Yoruba man do it against his brother. You never see a Delta man do it against their brother. Look at Simon Sunday Igboho when they hold him at Benin. Look at all the whole Yorubas, both Yoruba in Benin, both Yoruba in Nigeria, all of them rally around. All the whole sand in Yoruba land, they send them to Benin to go defend Sunday Igboho, and they succeeded. But look at it now. All of them are jubilating. Both Cubano chief priest, both Peter Mba, Ojuzokalo, Abaribe, all of them are jubilating. Honest and Igbo, all of them are jubilating down here. Simon Ekpa have fallen into the net. He cannot escape this time. He will die over there. Bury him over there. Kill him over there. The Igbos. But the veterans in America, what they did is what they're supposed to do.
But this is not the first time. You don't think that the federal government, this is not the first time they are coming to say such a thing. Do you not think that the federal government, they see them as non-relevant?
This way I'm going. What they do is what they said is what they're supposed to say, but not to do. I think there was a time they come and issue a statement like this. Up to today, no signal, no nothing. And the federal government have looked anybody that come to defend the agitators, any individual or group of people, or weighty or not, that they come to defend the agitators. Federal government have seen them as a toothless bulldog. Federal government of Nigeria have seen them as a toothless bulldog. They can only make back, but they cannot bite. This is why when you give automatic, they will overlook it and do whatever is their mind. Even if it's a United Nation, federal government sees them as a toothless bulldog. Remember in the time of Buhari, there was a time when United Nations give Nigeria automatic to release nnamdikanu. The day came to expire. Now it's getting to 2 years or more than 2 years. What do the United Nations do? Nigerians have seen anybody that talking about Igbos, talking about Biafra, they are toothless bulldog. They can't do anything. Toothless bulldog. They only make noise. They only bark, but they cannot bite. They cannot take action. These veterans, at least, if they contributed $1 to $2, it will reach to tackle the case. If they have made a move to International Criminal Court or International Court of Justice, both body, if they make a move against federal government,
I think that it's because of money. I do not think that if it's money, there are people that can really come out to to see that this case is settled. If you think it's something that money can do, do you not think that there are big Igbo people that can settle?
Where are they? Big people like Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. Big people like that. Big people like Otto Eze. Big people like retired army generals in Igbo land who can speak. Big people, like Rogers Okorocha them. Big people Who can talk? Like if Philip Emagwa, they are big people. They can talk. Have they talked? Have they do anything? Big people. Yes. Who can talk? Where are they? They are after their pocket. Let me be the richest man in Igbo land. Let me be the richest man in Igbo land. Eh? Where are they talking? These common men are suffering for Biafra. These common men are dying for Biafra. Like you and me. These common men are contributing for Biafra. And if you watch, these common people are fighting for Biafra. When they fight finish and maybe they succeeded, tomorrow they will come back home and carry shoulder high. Carry shoulder high. Imakonya ebo. Abo chiri ozo. Owa na gboro ora. Igwe nkembo. Igwe nkembo. Odefi nkembo. Ishefi nkembo. With their stupid nonsense witchcraft red cap on their head. Devilish red cap on their. Look at it. Others are using a good symbol on their head. They use red. What is red? Blood shedding. What is red? Danger.
So you don't support people's headers putting on red cap?
What the red stands for? Destruction, danger, blood.
But before
They are dangerous. That's why they put danger on
but before
their
you came
head.
to this world, I think that's what they've been wearing.
Not what they wear. All this is started recently. It started recently. Before in Imo, Abia, some part of Ebonyi, and some part of Enugu, they don't wear red cap. It was Anambra introduced red cap fully in traditional movement of Igbos. Anambra introduced it fully, and since that time, the thing get out of hand. It become corrupt. It become dangerous. Even to get set, a small boy of 10 years will go and wear red cap, walking on the road, carrying shoulder high. Stupid element of set of tribal people, nonsense tribe I have seen is supposed to be the Igbos. I'm an Igbo man, but I'm telling you honestly, the most dread tribe are them themselves.
Because they betray each other.
They betray each other easily.
Lack of trust.
You cannot see brother trust brother, sister trust sister. Everything is money and power also. They can kill their brother, but not outside. They can betray their brother, betray their sister. People kill their mother because of money, kill their father because of money, but not outside. This is why they cannot go outside and be united and achieve anything good.